In today's video, I am going to teach you how to draw a line in Miro. To get started, open Miro in your browser or desktop app and go to the board where you want to work. This can be a new board or an existing one you are already using for a project. Once the board loads, take a moment to confirm you are in the main canvas area, where you can place and edit objects. Next, look to the left-hand toolbar. This is where Miro keeps the most common tools for building diagrams, planning layouts, and sketching ideas. Find the option labeled Shapes and Lines. This tool group is important because it contains the basic building blocks you will use for flowcharts, simple wireframes, and visual connections between items on the board. Click Shapes and Lines to open the available options. You will see several shape choices, and you will also see line tools. Lines are used to connect shapes, point to specific areas, or create dividers on the canvas. Keeping your lines clean and consistent makes your board easier to read, especially when you are sharing it with a team. Now click on Line. This selects the line drawing tool, which tells Miro that your next click and drag on the canvas should create a line rather than a shape or a text box. After you select line, move your cursor onto the canvas area. Click where you want the line to begin, then drag your mouse to where you want it to end, and release. Miro will place the line along that direction. As you draw, aim for a clear start and end point so the line looks intentional. If you need to adjust the placement after it appears, you can usually select the line and reposition it on the canvas by dragging it. It also helps to zoom in slightly if you are working in a crowded area, so you can place the line exactly where you want it without overlapping other objects. Once you have the line in place, you can continue drawing additional lines by staying in the Line tool, or return to other tools from the left toolbar as needed for your layout. And that is all there is to it.